4. Now, difference here. Smaller numbers though. This is your P. We got a Q value other than 1 this time. So P is 6, which is 1, 2, 3, and 6. Q is 2. My factors of Q are 1 and 2. Possible zeros. Take your factors of P, put them over each of your factors of Q. So it's plus or minus 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6. We got those. Now we take those exact same numbers and put them over 2. 1 over 2. I'm going to drop it down in the next line. You can do it wherever you want. We got 1 over 2. Then we get plus or minus 2 over 2. Well, 2 over 2 is 1. It's already in there. We got 3 over 2. Then we got 6 over 2, which is 3. Do not write the repeats. There's no need for repeats. Now, same process at this point. Personally, I like to start with the fractions. I only need to go through synthetic one time here because we're starting with a cube. Way too much there. All right. So we're going to get 0 at the end. Drop down the 2. Again, I like to start with the fractions. If I have fractions as possible answers, I'm guaranteed to have at least one fraction answer. So knock it out in the beginning. Do whatever you want though. I'm going to start with 1/2, a little bit easier to deal with. Remember, no fractions are going to be here. If you end up with fractions there, stop. That one doesn't work. It's not going to in the end. 1/2 of 2 is 1. Adds right down as 2. 1/2 of 2 is 1 again. We get -12. 1/2 of -12. We get -6. Done. Right out the gate. It's nice. Plug your variables back in. We have a GCF. X squared plus x minus 6. Now, this GCF doesn't mean anything at this point. We factor x plus 3, x minus 2. We got our solutions right out the gate. 1/2, -3, +2. We are done. And that's it for this week. There'll be a couple review questions from last week on the worksheet, but half of it's going to be this stuff here.